we saw call span or column span, where a column spans for two other columns or two aligned columns. We'll see what row span is now. Now, let me delete this and add the context over here. I'll say row span is 2. If you see, this column spanned for two columns, whereas this column spanned for two rows. So you have like, for this, there's like 3 rows now, right? Sorry, 2 rows now, this and the other row. So for the 2 rows, it has to span. So this column spanned for 1, 2. So these are the columns 1, 2, 3, 4 columns and 4 rows. Here, this column spanned for 2 columns and this column spanned for 2 rows.